How to clean your upholstery and floor. Proper cleaning and maintenance will help preserve the quality of your upholstery over time. It's important to avoid using harsh chemicals as they can deteriorate the upholstery thread over time. Ensure you're using a gentle, vinyl-safe cleaner. Begin by sweeping, vacuuming, or brushing off any debris, dirt, or sand from the upholstery. This helps prevent scratching and keeps the surface clean. For any mud or dirt on the flooring, use a dock brush to scrub it off. Then hose down the flooring to remove any remaining residue. When it comes to cleaning the upholstery, use soft microfiber towels in conjunction with a gentle cleaner. Apply the cleaner and gently buff out any stains or dirt. Once cleaned, apply a protection product to safeguard the upholstery. Remember to wipe down the upholstery after each use, especially before covering it. It's important to be mindful of storing wet canvas materials, including life jackets and covers. Storing them while wet can lead to mold and buildup. Before storing, ensure that these items are thoroughly dried in the sun. Remember, always clean the upholstery first before applying any protection product. If you're unsure about which products to use, check your owner's manual or reach out to your local Crest dealer for their recommended products.